Today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about Bitcoin, an imminent message I have for you. Cryptocurrency, my 30 million US dollar trades on Bitcoin and specific altcoins, and a brand new trade I am opening right now. I will talk about everything, including price targets and everything you need to know right now about Bitcoin. Let's go straight into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, yesterday's video, you've been crushing the likes. I wanted to say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Let's go straight into it. And if you could smash up the like button once again, and of course join the family by just simply pressing subscribe. It's free for you. And then we can get started finally. And yes, let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about my price targets. Actually, before we are doing so, let me quickly go back into my trades. And what you can see here right now is that, yes, my Bitcoin trade, of course, is still open. I took $3 million in a profit and actually $2 million paid in funding fees. So $5 million total in profit taken, 17.3 million US dollars in unrealized profits. The Ethereum trade still open, XRP trade still open, Tron trade still open, Sui trade also still open. And if we are going over to Levex, I will talk about my brand new trade shortly. Also, BNB, XRP, Tron also open. All of these trades actually flip back into the green. Now the question is, what can we expect for Bitcoin and therefore also for altcoins in the immediate short term? Well, I uploaded 2 videos yesterday telling you exactly what has to happen for me to remain bullish on Bitcoin. And for me personally, as a trader, it is extremely important for Bitcoin to remain bullish, to stay above this support line. And we did close, in fact, a daily candle above. So now the likelihood increased for this uptrend to continue. There is one last confirmation though, which I am waiting for. And that is a daily candle, a new daily candle close, which is a new high. And actually you see we have here still on the daily candle closes a double top for Bitcoin, somewhere around 101,100 US dollars. So what we need is a daily candle to close just higher as that, just a little bit higher than 101,100 US dollars. So the price levels where we are at the time of recording. If we are closing a daily candle above that, that is the last confirmation sign. It was already great that we closed above support. Now I am only waiting for that. My lower risk trades with lower liquidation prices are still open. Yes, I opened a new trade. I want to talk about that. And yes, my Bitcoin trades are also still staying open for that reason. But for me to go into more leveraged long positions on altcoins, I am waiting for this one last confirmation actually on Bitcoin to then flip overwhelmingly bullish more on altcoins as well. So far, so good. Let's wait for that daily candle close as well. And let me actually show you my new potential my new trade here actually, which I am opening right now. And please understand, this is a high risk trade, of course, but this trade is on Tron, right? We made bank on Tron. Then some of these profits actually got wiped out, but some of the profits, of course, we took. Now the question is, what can we expect here for Tron? Well, let's go straight into it. And I wanted to remind you quickly, like, I am posting these updates in absolute real time also for my followers over on Levex. You can see it right here. Everyone who goes down below, and this is the second link in the pinned comment, follows me over there, can see these things in absolute real time. You can see my live trades, you can see my exclusive posts, everything. Link down below. You can also see the BitUnix link here, and also in a non-KYC exchange with a $5,000 bonus. On Levex, you get a $5,000 trade. Links are down below. Also, many people missed, 300,000 views here, but still some people missed my Sui call on the 4th of November 2024. Sui was at $1.80 or something, and I said I am going to open a low leverage long. Well, this was where you can see the red circle. What happened afterwards? The rest is history. You can verify all of that, of course, over on Twitter. And I just showed you earlier what happened to that Sui trade. It is right now 610,000 US dollars in a profit. Now I want to show you my next potential trade, or my next trade. This is a risky one. I said the same about the Sui trade. I just want to tell you, because Some people don't understand. They think that I'm always right. I'm not always right, and I can be wrong. And you can lose money on these trades. But I think this is a potentially good one. After this breakdown, we formed this double bottom. Tron broke from the neckline, confirmed the breakout, broke above the previous resistance, broke above the previous rejection point, and therefore check marks all of the check marks for me to confirm a breakout. It can still reverse, I can still be wrong, but that is, for me, on the balance of probabilities, a good trade. That's why my old trade on Tron here flipped positive and bullish already. And also my trade I just opened here now in a slight profit, which I posted in absolute real time for my followers over on Levex. I will update you very soon on the next one of MMCrypto. For Bitcoin, we need to look out for the daily close. I already told you before. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.